Former Congress leader Navjot Kaur Sidhu has launched a sharp attack on Congress Lok Sabha MP Rahul Gandhi, accusing him of ignoring internal corruption and weakening the Indian National Congress in Punjab. Speaking on Tuesday, Sidhu alleged that Rahul Gandhi failed to respond to repeated requests to address serious issues within the party's Punjab unit. She claimed that this inaction has led to the decline of the Congress in the state. "You don't deserve that chair," Sidhu said, adding that a leader must stay connected to ground realities. She accused Rahul Gandhi of living in what she described as a dream world and not being aware of what is happening within his own party. Sidhu further alleged that Rahul Gandhi's inner circle is involved in selling election tickets, while he remains unaware of these developments. According to her, this has damaged the credibility and strength of the Congress in Punjab. She said that for the past 8 months, she had been seeking an appointment with Rahul Gandhi to explain that the party leadership in Punjab was not functioning in the interest of the state. Sidhu claimed that despite her efforts, she was not given a chance to present her concerns. "Rahul Gandhi speaks well and makes sense," she said, "but there is a big difference between what he says and what he does." Sidhu maintained that the Congress is being systematically weakened in Punjab due to poor leadership and alleged corruption, warning that the party risks losing public trust if corrective steps are not taken. Her remarks have added to the ongoing internal tensions within the Congress ahead of crucial political battles in the state.